Hey everyone, this is Josh with Evolve 3D. I'm back here with the Air Venturi MicroStrike, and we're going to be installing our new metal rail kit. We've got a couple of accessories already on the top rail, including our fill probe and dual magazine holder. The MicroStrike is one of our first rail kits where the metal parts are different on each side, so you'll have to take note of that. We've got a small update on these 3D printed supports, so this part of the video is being filmed on a different day. What we found was that during the summer, when the humidity is higher, the silicone pads do a great job of holding the rail securely. In the winter, however, the pads can shrink slightly, which made it easier for the rail kit to slide forward on the tube. Because of that, all MicroStrike rail kits purchased in February 2026 and later include this new rear support, which positively locks onto the tube. If you have one of our rail kits and would like this new rear support, please reach out and I will send you one. Before installing it, make sure the gun is safe, then brace the back of the gun against your body. The rear support installs with the semicircle facing towards the front of the rifle. Gently spread the support just enough to get it over the tube and then slide it back until it snaps into place at the rear of the tube. If you ever need to remove it, you can take it off the same way in reverse or rotate it off the back as shown. The second one has a small chamfer on the front edge of it. Make sure that that's facing the front and push it in place just like that. You're going to be installing these metal rails next. Again, take note of the position of the pressure gauge dial cutout. It goes towards the back. Each metal rail will have 4 screws that you're going to install. 2 on the bottom and then 2 on the kind of top edge here as shown. I've got the drill set down here to a little lower torque setting. If you plan to use a power tool, just make sure that you're going easy on it. I do recommend just using a hand tool to install these. Once the rails are in place on both sides, this thing is extremely solid. This is version 1 of this rail kit. I have another version around the corner that will include cutouts for the regulator dial as requested by a few customers. We have also made adjustments to the tolerance of the M-Lok slots on the sides so that we don't have issues with installing accessories from the outside moving forward. This first version is discounted on our site right now while supplies last.